Welcome to class 7 mathematics classes wherein ratio and proportion exercise 7a question number 4. Now the question is the angles of triangle are in the ratio 5:6:7. Find each angle. So we have to find each angle and the ratio is given. Okay. Solution. First we'll see in the question that what is given. Ratio is given, so we write given ratio is equals to 5:6:7. Now this is a triangle, so this is a triangle. In a triangle there are three angles: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and this ratio is given for this triangle angles. So suppose this is 5, then this is 6, then this is 7 in ratio, but we have to find actual measure of these angles. So what is the step to do? First we have to find the sum of these three. So sum of the ratio is equals to 5 plus 6 plus 7. This equals to 5, 6, 11, 11 plus 7, 18. So this is 18. Now you know that the total angle of a triangle is how much? Total angle of a triangle. If you add this, this and this, how much you will get in a triangle? We will get 180. Total angle of a triangle is 180. So total angle of a triangle is equals to 180. Now we have to find the actual measure of each angle. For that what we have to do is, now first angle will be equal to, this is the first angle, second angle, third angle. First, second and third angle. So first angle measure will be given by this divided by sum of ratio into the total angle. That is what? 5 by 18 into 180 degree. So here what you can do is this 18 one time, 18 10 times this one. So 10 into 5 is 50. So first angle we got 50 degree. Similarly we can find second angle also. Second angle is what? 6 by 18. 6 by 18 into 180. So again you can cancel it. Now this is 60 degree. 18 ones are 18 10 times. So second angle we got 60 degree. In the same manner third angle we can calculate is equals to 7 by 18. 7 by 18 into 180 degree. 18 ones are 18 10s are. So 10 into 7, 10 sevens are 70 degree. So we have found first angle, second angle, third angle. This is question number 4. Now we'll go for question number 5. A line segment of length 84 centimeter has been divided into two parts in the ratio in the ratio 4:3. Find the length of each part. So here what is given, the ratio is given and the total length of the line segment is given, and we have to find the length of each part. The line is divided into two parts in the ratio 4:3. So now what we have to do is, first we have to write the given things, that is ratio is equals to 4:3, and total length of a line segment is equals to 84 centimeter. Now sum of ratio is equals to 4 plus 3, that is 7. Okay, first part of the line segment, will be equal to, the sum of ratio is 7 and the first part ratio is 4 by 7. Total length of the line segment is 84, isn't it? We can see here total line segment is 84, ratio is 4:3, and sum of ratio is 7. So to find the first part of the line segment, we will take 4 by 7 into 84. Yes or no? Now we have to calculate this. 7 1 ja, 7 1 ja, and 7 2 ja. 12, 14 times 12 4s are how much? 48 centimeter. In similar manner, second part of the line segment will be equal to the ratio 3 by 7 is the sum of ratio, and total is 84. Again 7 1 ja, 7 12 ja, 12 3 ja, 36 centimeter. We can check also whether we are correct or not. If we add 48 plus 36, we should get the total line segment, that is 84. So 48 plus 36, we are getting 84. That means this is okay. Now next question is 6 number. Question number 6. Here we have to divide rupees 3900 between Kunal and Kirti in the ratio 15:11. Okay, so here this is the amount that we have to divide between Kunal and Kriti in the ratio 15:11. So first, what to write? The given in the question. So given things in the question is, let us write this way: Kunal is to Kirti is equals to 15:11. Okay, and total money or amount is equals to rupees 3900. Okay, next step is what? To find the sum of ratio is equals to 15 plus 11. How much it is? 26. Now what we have to write? The Kunal gets, therefore Kunal gets how much? 15 is for Kunal and 11 is for Kriti. This is the sum of ratio. So 15 by 26 and total money is 3900. So we have to calculate it. 26 1 26 1 50 15 150 into 15. Calculate in ROF and check it out. We are getting rupees 2250. This 26 ones are and 26 150s are is 3900. Okay, 150 into 15 we are getting 2250. Now next is Kriti. Kriti gets how much? Kriti gets 11 by 26. 11 by 26 into the total amount 39. Again we'll get the same here. 150 into 11 is rupees how much? 1650. So we can check also, if we add this two we should get 3900, because this is the total money divided between Kunal and Kriti. Okay, so this is question number 6. Question number 7. Divide rupees 16,250 among A, B, C in the ratio 5:7:13. So now at first what we'll write? Given ratio is equals to 5:7:13 and total amount is equals to rupees 16,250, and we have to divide this amount among A, B, C in this ratio. Okay, so here sum of ratio is equals to 5 plus 7 plus 13. This 25. Now A gets, now what we can do? Now A gets is equals to 5 by 25 into the total amount 16,250. So 25 ones are and 25 650s are 16,250. 650 into 5, calculate in ROF, we get rupees 3,250. Okay, here you can calculate 650 into 5. Okay, calculate it. And then B gets how much? 7 by 25 into this amount. Again the same way we can cancel, and 650 into 7 we are getting rupees 4,550. This also you just find out in the ROF. Okay, now C gets 13 by 25 into 16,250. Again this cancels, and 13 into 650 is rupees 8450. You can calculate this small calculation in the rough and you can write here. Okay, now next is question number 8. Divide 35 sweets between Sudha and Tanvi in the ratio 1/2 is to 1/3. Now this is in fraction, the ratio is given in fraction, so first we have to simplify this. Okay, then we'll start solving the problem. So this fractional form will simplify. Okay, so question number 8, solution. Now total sweets given is what here? Total sweets is equals to 35 and the ratio given is equals to 1/2 is to 1/3. This is for Sudha and this is for Tanvi. So the LCM of 2 and 3, LCM of 2 and 3 is how much? 6. Okay, by this LCM if we multiply each fractions, then we'll get a simple form like 1/2 into 6 is to 1/3 into 6. So this will get cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So this side 3 1 ja 3 we got, and here 2 1 ja 2. So this ratio we got in simplified form. Now next is sum of ratio. Sum of ratio, that is 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Okay, now Sudha gets is equals to Sudha from the ratio. Sudha is 3 and sum of ratio is 5 and total sweets are 35. So 5 1 ja, 5 7 ja, 7 3 ja, 21 sweets. Sudha gets 21 sweets and Tanvi gets how much? From the ratio 2, sum of ratio is 5, total sweets are 35. 5 again, 1 ja, 5 7 ja, and 14 sweets. You can check whether you are correct or not. This 2 if you add, we should get 35, isn't it? Okay, now question number 9. Question number 9 is divide 468 gram of rice into 3 heaps containing the quantities in the ratio 1/6 is to 1/8 is to 1/12. There are 3 fractions. So again here also we have to find the LCM of this 6, 8 and 12, and we have to simplify this ratio at first. Okay, solution given is what? Given is rice. Okay, total rice or total quantity of rice is equals to 468 gram and ratio is equals to 1/6 is to 1/8 is to 1/12. Now LCM of 6, 8 and 12. 6, 8 and 12. LCM 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 6 are again by 2, 2 2s are 2 3s are again by 2, 2 1s are and by 3, 3 1s are 1. The LCM is 3 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is equals to how much? 16. Is it? No, it's not correct. We were wrong. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. It's okay. And by 2 1s are 3 1s are. So 3 2s are 6 here, not 4. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So 24 we are getting LCM. Okay, by this LCM we have to multiply each fraction to simplify. So here ratio will be 1 by 6 into 24 is to 1 by 8 is to 24 is to 1 by 12 into 24. Now 6 1s are 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24. So now this is 4 is to 3 is to 2. Now we can find sum of the ratio, that is 4 plus 3 plus 2 which is equals to 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now first heap, second heap and third heap. Okay, first heap. Now first heap contains how much rice? 4 by 9 into 468. This is the total amount of rice, total quantity of rice, 468. Now we can cancel it. 9 ones are and 9 fives are, 9 twos are. 52 into 4 is 208 now gram of rice. In first heap 208 gram of rice is there. Yes or no? Now in second heap, similar manner, second heap contains how much? 3 by 9, 3 by 9 into 468, 9 ones are, 952s are, 468, 52 into 3 is how much? 52 into 3 is 156 gram of rice in the second heap. Now in the third heap, okay, let us calculate the third heap. Third heap contains how much? Is equals to third heap ratio we got 2 and the sum of ratio is 9 and total quantity of rice is 468. Again 9 ones are and 952 are 468. 52 into 2 is 104 gram of rice. Okay, so this is question number 9. Next we will do question number 10. Divide rupees 715 among A, B, C in such a manner, in such a way that B gets, try to understand the question, B gets 3 times as much as A gets and C gets half of as much as B gets. So try to understand the question. We have to divide this 715 rupees among A, B, C, okay, in this way. Okay, B gets 3 times as much as A. B gets 3 times as much as A, and C gets half as much as B gets. So A and B are related and B and C are related. Okay, so if we suppose that A gets X, then how much B gets? If A gets X, B gets 3 times as much as A. That means B gets 3 into X. Okay, now B gets 3X and B is related to C. C gets half of as much as B gets. So half of what B gets is C getting, isn't it? So now solution, you can see here, let A gets rupees X. Okay, now according to question, what we can write? B gets 3X because 3 times as much as A. A is getting X, so 3 times of this is 3X, yes or no? And C gets half as much as B gets half of this, isn't it? That is 3 by 2 X. Now the ratio will be ratio A is to B is to C will be equal to what? X is of A, 3X of B, and C is 3 by 2X. X getting cancelled. Okay, so it becomes 1 is to 3 is to 3 by 2. Now just simplify, as this is in fractional form, so we have to simplify. The LCM of here is 1, here is 1, LCM of 1 2 is 2. By that LCM we have to multiply each of these to simplify. So we can write 1 into 2, 3 into 2 is to 3 by 2 into 2. We are multiplying by the LCM of this 1 and 2 in the denominator. Here nothing is there, that means 1 is there. 1 1 2. Okay, so we got LCM as 2, and then we are multiplying each of this by 2. Okay, so here 2 1 is 2, 3 2 is 6, this getting cancelled, and we got 3. So simple ratio we got 2 is to 6 is to 3. Now we can divide the amount, okay, among A, B, C. So A gets, first of all we have to find sum of ratio. Sum of ratio is equals to 2 plus 6 plus 3. How much it is? 6 7 8 8 9 10 11. 11 we got sum of ratio. Now A gets, therefore A gets how much? 2 by 11 into 715. So 11 1s are 11, 6 are, and 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 55. 11 5s are 65 into 2 is how much? 130. So 130 rupees this A is getting. Similarly 113 rupees, 30 rupees this A is getting. Now B gets how much? 6 by 11. 6 by 11 into 715. 11 1s are again 11, 65 times 715. 65 into 6 is, doing rough, you will get rupees 390. Okay, and the last is C. C gets how much? C gets 3 by sum of ratio 11 into 715. 11 1s are 65. So 65 into 3 is 195. Okay, so this calculation we are repeating again and again. You can skip also. Once you have cancelled this and found 65, with this 65 only, if you multiply each of these, we will easily get the same answer. Okay, so this steps I am showing you to make you understand, but you can skip it. Once you have found this factor, this number 65, okay, 11 in each of the sums that we have done, I have shown you these calculations, but you can skip it. At first you have to find, and in the rest of this you can apply this factor to multiply. Okay, for today this much only. In my next video class I will come with rest of the solutions, that is from question number 11 to question number 22. Okay, do revise and keep this all work in your copy. Thank you.